everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today I'm here to explain you about Tools Online Sale Com Reviews. Friends, in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us guys and let's get started. So it is an online shopping store which is based in United States that deals with various and multiple tools including hand tools, heated gears, M12 cordless tools, M18 cordless tools, Sawzall and various accessories. And guys, you can see this is the homepage of this website and the company is offering massive discounts starting from 50% to 83%. So these are the product category list. You can scroll down the website to check out the multiple products. Now guys, let's talk about the payment information of this website, and for that you need to visit the payment info section. Guys, here they have mentioned that they accept credit cards by Visa, MasterCard and JCB etc. And apart from that, in the FAQ section they have also mentioned the information related to payment. And guys, they have mentioned that credit cards only, Visa and bank transfer. So guys, you should know that most of the scam or suspicious sites use these payment options. Now let's check out the shipping policy of this website. For that you need to visit the shipping and return section, and the standard shipping duration will be 7 business days. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And without wasting time, let's move on to the important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, the site is using a secure HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. But when it comes to the domain information of the site, the domain name was created on 12th of December 2020. So guys, this site is just 9 days old site, and according to a study, the particular domain is registered for 1 year only. So this is not enough to judge or claim it a legit website. We need to discuss or explore more factors to define its legitimacy. So let's check out the About Us section first. This is the About Us page guys. You can see limited information is available on this page, and the available information is copied and duplicate. You should know that many scam and problematic sites use duplicate or copied content in the web pages. So this is not a good sign here. And talking about the contact details, so let's check out the contact us page of this website. They have provided a query form, but yes, they have not mentioned any contact detail including email address, contact number and official address. This is again a negative sign guys. And talking about the social media presence, you can see multiple social media icons are available on this website, which are Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest and YouTube. But these social media account handles are inactive. You will find nothing, or you will find no profile on these social media accounts. So this is a red high alert, and apart from that, this site has an unknown trustworthiness score. Guys, now let's check out the return or refund policy of this website. So this is the return policy, and they have mentioned 14 days of return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. And guys, talking about Tools Online Sale Com reviews, we have found mixed reviews about this site on the internet, and majority of the customers have provided negative feedbacks about this site. So I would like to inform you that one of the customers wrote that after looking at the site for 2 seconds, I have come to the conclusion that only a fool would buy from this site. And another customer wrote that scam alert, when do you see 80% plus of the tools, then it may be a scam. And most of the customers have claimed it a scam website. So guys, this is a negative sign and defines the fakeness of this website. Apart from that guys, the website is ranked too low among millions of other websites according to Alexa Traffic Rank. So in the final conclusion, the website appears to be scam, and we do not recommend you to buy anything from this website as it is not much popular online. And guys, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, keep supporting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Thanks for watching this video guys. Have a good day.